And then we decided to go to Toys R Us for kids shopping. What's your kid favorite toy shop? Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Homemade Happiness. This is Sakina. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about a day in my life kind of video. So I am going to shoot everything that is going to happen throughout the day, whatever I am going to do. And yeah, it's minus 35 right now. It's severe winter day in Calgary. Yeah, it's 7 in the morning, Friday. I decided to wake up early in the morning today and go to Tim Hortons to grab my coffee. So our house is located in such a lively area. This is Northeast Calgary. We have Tim Hortons, gas station, bus depot, and there's a metro as well. We have Muhammad School in walking distance. We have H&M, Old Navy, Urban Clap. Everything is in walking distance. I'm actually freezing right now. I couldn't even able to walk. All right, that is the bus depot I was talking about earlier. The current temperature at the time when I was taking the video was minus 35 because it was very early in the morning, and it was a little bit slippery as well. I was freaked out. I was not sure if I am able to walk on. And finally, hooray, we reach our coffee shop. It's a lot cloudy weather today. It's supposed to be storm in the evening, but yeah, let's see. I'm actually wearing lots of layers inside because I was feeling very cold. I have cold feet, so I couldn't really take the cold. Hello. Two French vanilla.
What size?
Medium.
Two medium French vanilla.
Yes. Assorted Timbits. Pack of 10.
Pardon?
Pack of 10.
Would you like the Timbits or the regular Timbits?
The regular ones.
Got it.
And I would like the English muffin with the egg.
Egg English muffin?
Yes.
They're all over your fingers.
Would you like cheese on it too?
Yes.
Just give it a shot. Whatever comes, comes. It's fine.
It should be only egg, not the sausage.
Yeah, it's just egg.
Okay. That's it.
Alright. That'll be $10.75. Do you have a Pinch Rewards card?
I don't have it today.
Okay. How would you like to pay?
Debit.
Alright. Ready when you are.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
And then I grabbed my coffee. I came home. We had our breakfast. Then Riza and Ali decided to read some stories. What story is this?
Carrots.
Carrot soup. Once upon a time, there was a great famine in the burrows, and the rabbits had very little food to share.
Hey, what is that rabbit wearing?
The rabbit is wearing...
A mask?
Yeah. Now you see what happens next. One day, an old rabbit came to the burrows and started asking questions as if he was planning to stay. There's nothing to eat here, he was told. And after the story time, we had a video chat with my sister and her kids. So it's really important for my sister to give me a call every single day because she miss me a lot. So by the time we end up the call, it was already 12 in the afternoon. I decided to go in the kitchen and make something for lunch. So in the weekends, I don't usually cook a lot. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Because it's a weekend, I wanted to spend some time with my family. So I only cook something which is easy and delicious. And then we had our chicken fried rice for lunch, and we started for some shopping and some outing for the weekend. Usually we do grocery shoppings on Saturday morning, and then we go some kids shopping, and we do some outdoor as well. So here Riza was telling me the something about volcano. He's a very big fan of volcano. So he's just explaining me how the lava comes out of the volcano and everything. And then I asked Ali what is his plans to buy in the toy shop, and he was telling me that I wanted to buy some toy bus, and he has a big list which I have to definitely ignore. So in the afternoon it was started to a little bit warmer, which is minus 27 right now. Alright, we reached Toys R Us, and this is the one of the most favorite toy shop for